You see it before you feel it. The presence, the stance. The Silverado doesn't just arrive, it commands attention. That bold front, sculpted with confidence, its lines sharp yet flowing, every angle built to catch the light and hold it. The grille stands tall, unmistakable, framed by lights that slice through the road ahead like eyes that never blink. The wheels, massive, powerful, finished to perfection, anchor it with authority. Paint that doesn't just shine, it glows, like liquid metal poured over muscle. And the rear? Clean, strong, purposeful. A statement that strength can be beautiful. Step closer. Open the door. This isn't just a truck interior, it's an arena of comfort and control. The seats embrace you, leather stitched with precision, built to hold you through every mile with a balance of toughness and luxury. Run your hand along the dash, smooth, commanding, everything exactly where it should be. The infotainment screen comes alive with brilliance, intuitive and fast, like it already knows what you need. Controls click with a satisfying confidence. Every button, every dial engineered for ease and power. You don't just sit in the Silverado, you take command. The cabin wraps around you, quiet, refined, yet ready for anything. Its space, its strength, its luxury, all fused into one. Every drive becomes a story. Every journey feels bigger, louder, unforgettable. The Silverado isn't just built, it's crafted. It's designed for those who want presence, who demand performance, who live for moments where strength meets style. This is more than a truck. This is the Chevrolet Silverado. Power that excites, design that inspires, luxury that drives you forward.